money drop. Get money. Get money. Can't turn me away. I believe in your heart. I always wanna stay. Just say okay. 'Cause money, I want you back. Look like a model. I do what I gotta do. Stay in the running. I want your money. Get around. I'll be that one backstage. 'Cause money, I want you back. Can't turn me away. I believe in your heart. I always wanna stay. Can't turn me away. I believe in my heart. You better get on away from here. Hey, you gon' see what is gon' be some slow singing and flower bringing. If my burglar alarm starts, you don't wanna fall in love with me. See, you don't wanna fall in love with me. We see you don't wanna fall in love with me. I try to tell you. See, you don't wanna fall. Hey you guys, so I am at the mall right now. I wanted to come to Ulta. I want to look at that new It, is it the It Cosmetics moisturizer? It's supposed to be a moisturizer, but it's called Bye Bye Foundation or something like that. So you're supposed to use it as a moisturizer, and that eliminates you wearing foundation. To me, it don't make no sense, because from what I see, it's tinted like a foundation, and yeah, I don't know. Plus, I also have seen people trying it on, and it looks like they're applying it like foundation too. So let's see what this is about. So here it is, and see how it says full coverage moisturizer, new by foundation. I'm confused. So, and it looks like they're all sold out besides Fair and Light. Here is the display for the Too Faced Life's Festival. I think this is so cute, but I think it's really the packaging that's making me want to get it. Let's see if I can open it. There it is. I think it's pretty, but I just like the packaging. I don't actually like most of this. Highlighting stick. Oh, that's closed. I guess that's that over there. Mermaid Tears. A mystical lip topper. Dang, somebody used this up like crazy. Really cute. Well, that sucks, because I really wanted to come here to see the Bye Bye Foundation, to kind of get a look at it, because like I said, it's weird how it's supposed to be a moisturizer, but people are applying it like foundation. So I wanted to firsthand see it. Maybe I'll keep looking for it. But then I also heard that they sell ColourPop now. Excuse me, you guys have ColourPop? The color.
We have a small table of it. It's over by the register.
Okay.
Very far left.
Okay. Okay, so she said they did have it, but it's up. It's up towards the front, so I'll make my way up there. But I wanted to come and look at the Too Faced, which I don't want anything. Oh, I love looking at the clearance. So let me see. Let's see what's on clearance. Okay, so this is their clearance section right now. They got a lot of Human Kind 250 hand and foot creams. Some Pacifica. Lots of lotions and body soaps. What are those? $2.97. And then you got some makeup stuff down here. Warm Glow Body Butter for $4.75. And I think that's about it. Oh, these are pretty. Those are really pretty. I have both colors, little headbands. It'll look like that picture. These are pretty. These are pretty. Wow. That palette is only $38. That's not bad.
George is gonna buy you?
Oh, this is pretty.
Or like I said, this stuff's nice too.
Do you want me to come home now?
Yeah, so these are nice because these are.
So here is the ColourPop. Oh, that sucks.
Some people love it, some are creative. Are you looking for something that's really like that coverage? I was just thinking.
Okay, so I'm done in Ulta. What I will say is those morph palettes were really, really pretty. I'm interested. I might go back and get one of those. For $23, that wasn't bad, and it was really, really pigmented. I had never really looked at their stuff before. I'm just trying to see where I'm gonna go next. But I really wanted to try the Bye Bye foundation, even though, like I said, I'm confused by it. I am in front of Charmin Charlie, so I'm definitely gonna walk in here, just because I cannot come to the mall and not come in here. They have the cutest stuff. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Let me turn this around. Look at that cute little purse. Super cute. Hip hop, you don't stop. And this is glass. $10. Hi. And here are these teacups. I actually bought one of these. I showed these on Instagram a while back, but aren't these cute? Ain't nothing but a tea thing, baby. With the gold lips. So yes, I do have one of these at home, and it was $10, but I used the coupon, so super cute. They have some cute dresses.
And then I bought, like, when we had this scarf, I bought.
That is so funny. Okay, so I just left out of there, and I had to get up out of there because I would spend a lot of time in that store. They have so many tables, everything is color coordinated, and yeah, I'm not gonna go in Forever 21, which is right there. I'm not gonna go in there because I have actually, yeah, I want to go down here. I had actually did a little bit of shopping the other day, and so I have bought some stuff from Forever 21 and JCPenney's and a few other places that I plan on sharing with you guys, but I'm just waiting for something else to come in the mail. So I'm gonna keep walking. At the very end of this mall, there's a Walmart. I think I'm gonna go in there and look for something. So I'm gonna keep walking and see what I see. Yeah, so okay, you guys, so I'm back in my car. I walked over to Walmart, and what I was looking for I didn't find. It was really busy in there. I didn't think it was gonna be that packed today, so I didn't do any filming over there. But yeah, so I just wanted to bring you guys, I turned the key on. So I wanted to bring you guys with me in Ulta mainly because I was really wanting to see the Bye Bye foundation. If any of you have tried that yet, leave it down in the comments and tell me what you think, because like I said, I'm just confused that I don't know if it says it's a moisturizer and it's saying bye to foundation, but you have to pick your shade, and then I'm seeing people apply it like a foundation. So is it just, maybe they should have just called it a moisturizing foundation? I don't know. Until I'm able to look at it and see and try it out for myself. But it's just something, one of them things that I felt was weird, and I wanted to see it firsthand. What else? I may go back and get one of the Morph palettes. I think I might, as if I need any more makeup, but I might go get one of those because those was really cute. And then I was interested in seeing the ColourPop, which didn't really do too much for me. I'm not really, I would use ColourPop, but I didn't feel like I wanted to purchase any of that. Some of the NYX lippy things was new. I may have to go back and look at that too. But that's it. I just wanted to take you guys with me, and it was a bonus to go inside of Charmin Charlie's where I needed to get myself up out of there because I will stay in there all day. And I didn't even take any pictures. I always take pictures for you guys for Instagram, and I didn't snap any pictures. So yeah, shame on me. So that's it, you guys. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. It is Friday. Thank the Lord. And then the kids got one more week, and then they'll be on vacation. They'll be on vacation for spring break. But you guys, I was just telling one of my sisters, I have never known Easter to fall on Easter Sunday on April Fool's. Ain't that crazy? Like, that's weird. That's crazy to me. But yeah, this year Easter is on April Fool's Day, so that's gonna be interesting. And then besides that, and then I'll let you guys go. I was done talking, and then look at me running my mouth. Did you guys see on the news the United Airline about that cute little dog that died, the 10-month-old French bulldog that died on United Airlines? I was so heartbroken by that. I was watching the mom and the little girl do their interview, and I was like, oh my goodness, shame on that stewardess for making them even do that. But we're not gonna go all into that. But I wouldn't have, first of all, I wouldn't even put my dog up there. I would not have done it. Like, no. No. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and Google United Airlines, the little French bulldog that died on the plane. So sad, so sad. But yeah, I don't know why I even brought that up, just because it was on my heart right now. That poor baby. But yeah, okay, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. I got some videos that I'm gonna go home and record. I got some hauls. Like, I got stuff. So if you're new to my channel and this is your first video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. For everybody else, stay tuned, because I do have some stuff coming up. I just got to figure out when I'm going to put it up. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Bye.